After that first segment, I'm feeling so much more aware of how much power we actually have when it comes to helping our bodies heal. It's amazing.
It really is. It makes perfect sense.
So true.
We spend so much time thinking about external things like what we should eat and how much we should exercise, but we forget about that internal environment,
Yeah.
the one that's driving everything.
That's so true. And that's what Coach Dave is talking about with this whole concept of stasis, right? It's all about creating balance, giving our body the resources and support it needs to thrive.
Yeah, and he really highlights how chronic diseases can drain those resources, making it even harder for us to heal and regenerate.
It's like this vicious cycle. The more health challenges we have, the more depleted our resources become. And then it's even harder to get over those challenges.
Exactly. It's a
Yeah.
tough spot to be in. But the good news is that we can break out of that cycle by making choices that support our body's natural ability to heal.
Right. So how do we do that? What's step one?
Well, Coach Dave starts by talking about the importance of building strong bones. It might seem a little out of left field at first, but it's really important.
I remember you mentioned that earlier. Why bones? Why are they so crucial when we're talking about healing?
Well, Coach Dave explains that our bone marrow is like this factory that produces stem cells. And those stem cells are essential for repair and regeneration. So to keep that factory running smoothly, we need to make sure our bones are strong and healthy.
It's about making sure that the stem cell production line has everything it needs to work at its best.
Exactly. Yeah. It's not just about preventing osteoporosis later in life. It's about giving our bodies the best possible foundation for healing right now.
So what can we do to support our bone health? What are the building blocks?
Well, the obvious ones are making sure we're getting enough calcium and vitamin D, and then weight-bearing exercise is super important. And of course, we want to avoid things that can weaken our bones, like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption.
It's about making those healthy choices now so that we can benefit later in life.
Exactly. But strong bones are only part of the equation. Coach Dave also really stresses the importance of sleep, especially deep sleep. That's where all the cellular repair and regeneration happens.
He calls it the nightly repair session, right? That
Mhm.
really puts it into perspective.
It does. During deep sleep, our body is working hard. It's repairing damaged tissues, it's balancing hormones, it's boosting our immune system. It's like hitting the reset button on our entire system.
And if we don't get enough of that deep sleep, our bodies just can't keep up with the demands. It's like running a marathon and never taking a break. You're going to burn out.
Exactly. And it's not just about getting enough hours of sleep, it's about the quality of that sleep too.
Mm.
We need to make sure we're getting enough of that deep restorative sleep so our body can truly recharge.
So, how do we improve our sleep quality?
Well, Coach Dave has some good suggestions. Simple things, really, like setting a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, dimming the lights, maybe taking a warm bath, and minimizing screen time before bed.
Yeah, I definitely need to work on that last one. My phone is my biggest downfall before bed. But even if we get enough sleep, we need to make sure our bodies can actually absorb and use the nutrients we're giving it.
Absolutely. And that's where the digestive system comes in, specifically the gut microbiome.
Coach Dave calls it a mirror reflecting our digestive health, right? So if that mirror isn't looking so good, if we're having issues like bloating or gas or constipation, it's a sign that things aren't working optimally.
Exactly. And if our gut isn't happy, we're not absorbing nutrients as effectively, even if we're eating all the right foods.
It's like having a garden with depleted soil. The plants won't thrive no matter how much you water them.
Such a great analogy. Our bodies need a thriving gut microbiome, just like a garden needs healthy soil.
Okay, so how do we cultivate a healthy gut?
Well, probiotics are a good place to start, but Coach Dave emphasizes that it's about incorporating both probiotics and prebiotics into our diet.
Right. Probiotics bring in the good bacteria, and then prebiotics feed them so they can flourish.
Exactly. We're setting the stage for a thriving gut ecosystem.
It makes so much sense. And I bet he talks about the importance of mindful eating too, right?
Absolutely. He's all about slowing down, chewing thoroughly, and really paying attention to what we're eating. It's about giving our digestive system a chance to do its job properly.
It all comes back to treating our bodies with respect.
It really does. And that respect extends to our nervous system, too. Coach Dave calls the nervous system our body's firefighter because it plays such a huge role in how we respond to stress and how we regulate our internal environment.
I love that analogy, the nervous system as a firefighter.
It's so fitting. Our nervous system needs to be able to react quickly to challenges, like when we encounter danger or have to perform under pressure.
It's that fight or flight response that kicks in.
Right, exactly. But just as important is the ability to calm our nervous system down. and shift into a more relaxed and restorative state.
So it's about finding that balance, being able to respond to challenges, but also allowing our body time to rest and repair.
Absolutely. And Coach Dave talks about how we can actually influence our nervous system through different techniques.
Hmm.
For example, he talks about cold exposure and breath work as ways to activate the nervous system.
It's like a quick training session for our internal firefighter.
Right, exactly. But we also need to know when to calm things down to promote relaxation and healing.
That's where techniques like meditation and vagus nerve stimulation come in.
Precisely. It's all about finding what works for you and using these tools to support your body's natural rhythm of activity and rest.
This is all so fascinating. It really highlights how interconnected everything is within our bodies.
It really is. And that's what I find so empowering about Coach Dave's approach. It's not about following a set of strict rules. It's about understanding how our bodies work and making choices that support them.
It's about being active participants in our own health and well-being.
Exactly. We have more power than we think. This has been such a great conversation so far. We've learned so much about how our bodies heal and how to create a supportive internal environment.
I'm ready for more. What else does Coach Dave have for us?
And we're back. You know, it's incredible how much we can do to support our body's natural healing abilities.
It really is. And I love that Coach Dave gives us these concrete tools and strategies. We're not just left hanging with a bunch of theories.
Exactly. He's all about practical application. So let's dive into some of these tools. Where do we even begin?
Well, he starts with nutrition. Right. That makes sense. It's the fuel for all those repair processes.
Absolutely. He talks a lot about antioxidants. They're like our internal defense system.
Protecting us from all the toxins and stress we encounter every day.
Right. And he's not talking about just popping supplements. He emphasizes getting those antioxidants from whole foods.
Fruits, veggies, nuts, seeds, all that good stuff.
You got it. Nourishing our bodies with what they need to thrive. And speaking of essential nutrients, he's also a big advocate for omega-3 fatty acids.
Those healthy fats we get from things like fatty fish, flax seeds, walnuts.
Exactly. Omega-3s are so important for fighting inflammation.
And we know that chronic inflammation is a major obstacle to healing. It's like a fire that just keeps burning.
Exactly. Omega-3s help to calm that fire down. And then, of course, there's protein. Can't forget about protein.
It's the building block for everything. Muscles, bones, skin, you name it.
Right. And remember those stem cells we talked about. They need protein to do their job effectively.
So whether we're recovering from an injury or just supporting our body's daily maintenance, protein is essential.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But Coach Dave's approach goes beyond just individual nutrients. He's also a big believer in movement and exercise.
Not just for fitness, but for overall well-being, right?
Exactly. Exercise helps with circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to our tissues. Plus, it's great for mental and emotional health.
It's like a tune-up for our whole system.
And don't forget about the stress-reducing benefits. Exercise can help us manage that chronic stress, which we know is so detrimental to healing. But as important as movement is, we can't overlook rest and recovery.
Gotta give our bodies time to recharge.
Exactly. And when it comes to recharging, deep sleep is key. That's when all the magic happens.
The body goes into full repair mode.
Tissues rebuilding, hormones balancing, immune system getting a boost. But so many of us struggle with getting enough quality sleep.
It's true. But Coach Dave offers some great tips, like establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a calming bedtime routine.
Minimizing screen time before bed. Setting the stage for restful sleep.
And it's not just about sleep. He encourages us to explore other forms of rest and relaxation, spending time in nature, listening to calming music, practicing mindfulness.
Giving our bodies and minds a break from the constant go-go-go of modern life. Which brings us back to stress management.
Such a crucial piece of the puzzle.
Coach Dave reminds us that stress is inevitable, but it's how we respond to it that matters.
We need healthy coping mechanisms, mindfulness practices, breath work, connecting with loved ones, doing things that bring us joy.
It's about building a personalized stress management toolkit. And that's a key theme of the Coach Dave, isn't it? It's not about a one-size-fits-all approach.
It's about understanding ourselves, listening to our bodies, and finding what works best for each of us.
Absolutely. It's about becoming active participants in our own well-being. And that's what makes this so empowering. Coach Dave leaves us with a powerful question. What other firefighting tools can you discover to help your body thrive?
I love that. It's a call to action. It's about continuing to explore, to stay curious, and to find what truly makes us feel our best.
Exactly. This is a journey, not a destination. And what an incredible journey it is. I'm so glad we had this deep dive into our body's amazing self-healing power.
Me too. This was truly insightful.
And remember, your body is not broken. It's a self-healing masterpiece. You just need to give it the right conditions to thrive. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep taking care of yourself.